Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a website link from your Pinterest profile. Select the Pinterest app. After that, on the bottom right corner, there's your profile. And in the top left corner, again, you can see your profile icon. Select your profile icon over here and go to the view your profile on the top. And tap edit profile. And right here under the edit profile, scroll a bit, and over here we could see the website. Tap on the website, clear it out, and after you cleared your website, in the top right corner we could see the done. And this is it. This is how you can delete a website link from your Pinterest profile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.